Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the experiments in Foundry and Forging lab. So we are starting with the sand testing experiments, and the first experiment in the sand testing experiments are sieve analysis to find the grind fineness number of a base sand. So this is the first experiment that we are going to see. So for that, the aim of this experiment is to find the distribution of sand grains using a set of sieves and to find the average grain fineness numbers, and the material used is base sand, that is the silica sand, and the apparatus used is electronic weighing scale, stopwatch, sieve shaker and the sieve set. So the next one is a procedure. So we have to take a 50 gram or 100 gram. So we are taking some 100 grams of dry sand and placing it in the top of the sieve and closing the lid. Place the whole assembly of sieves on the vibratory sieve shaker. So before doing all these things, first we need to take the empty weight of the sieves. For each and every sieve we have to note down the weight. After that we need to take some 100 grams of sand and place it in the top of the sieve and close it with the lid and place it in the sieve shaker, and we have to start the machine. So we should note it down for 15 minutes. So once with the help of the stopwatch we can see the time, like the time running, and so switch on the motor and allow the sieve assembly to vibrate for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes means we will not be get much fineness, so we can increase it to some 10 or 15 minutes. Then after the time is over we can switch off the motor and collect the sand particles retained in each of the sieves separately and weigh in the electric weighing scale. So we have to calculate the percentage of weight retained by each of the sieves, multiply this value with a multiplier for each sieve. So this is the arrangement of a sieve shaker, where so these are all the set of sieves. Each sieve will be having some numbers. So there is a knob, we have to remove this knob and we have to take the clamping putty. So after taking this we can take the sieve set outside. After taking the sieve set, with the help of the weighing scale we need to measure the weight of each sieve before adding sand. So after noting down the weight, we need to place the sieve set in the correct order. If it is interchange means we will not be getting the fine sand. So according to the number we need to place it. After that we again we need to close it with the lid and keep it in the sieve shaker, and we have to place the clamping knot and close the knob. So once all these arrangements are done, we can set the timer, and we can switch on the system, the machine, with the help of this toggle switch. So this is the sieve shaker, and this is the table where we are going to note down the value. So the sieve number in microns, this represents the number of the sieve. So these numbers will be written in all the sieves, starting from 1700, 850, 600, 425, 300, 212, 150, 106, 75 and 53. So first we have to note down the empty sieve weight 1, and this is before starting the experiment. So after adding the sand, after the vibration is completed for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, after that we have to remove the sieves and note down, take the weight of each sieve with the sand. So after this we will be getting the percentage. So this percentage has to be multiplied with the multiplying factor. So for different sieves, sieve pan, there are different multiplying factors starting from 5, 10, 20, 30. So it goes up to 200. So when the percentage retained is multiplied with the multiplying factor, we will get the product. So by taking the average of this, we will get the grain fineness number. So this is how we need to calculate the value and tabulate it. So now I will show. Hi everyone. So today we are going to do the sieve analysis test. and the aim of the test is to determine the average grain fineness number and to find the distribution of sand grains. So the apparatus that we are going to use for this, we are going to use an electronic balance, sieve set. So this is the sieve set and the sieve shaker vibrator and a stopwatch. So these are the apparatus that we are going to use for this experiment. So before starting the experiment, we should measure the weight of the empty pans. So these are the empty pans. With the help of this electronic weighing balance, we need to measure the weight of the weighing empty pans, and each empty pan it has its own number. So here you can see there are different numbers in this. It starts from 1700. So here you can see the number, it is 1700. So this is the unique number for this pan. So for that we need to write the weight. So here it is 295. So we should note down the weight in grams with the empty sieve. So like this we need to repeat the same for all the empty pans. Now after taking the weight of all the empty pans, we are placing the pans in the sieve shaker. So this is the sieve analyzer machine and this is the sieve shaker, this is the sieve set. So we are placing the empty sieve pan in the sieve shaker. After that we need to add 150 grams of the sand to the sieve in the top of the pan. Now we are taking 150 grams of sand. So we can, with the help of this weighing machine, we can weigh it. So we can add the sand till it becomes 150 grams. So now we got the 150 exactly we got 150 grams. Now we are adding this sand to the sieve. We are adding the sand to the sieve. After that, this is the closing plate. With that, we need to close this clamp. So now the sieve shaker is ready to start the operation. So now we are fixing the time and the shaker is started. It starts vibrating. So now with the help of the stopwatch, we need to see the time. So this process will be continuing for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After that we need to switch off the analyzer. Then we need to remove the clamp. So now the clamp is removed and we are taking out the lid, and we need to separate the sieve set from the sieve shaker.
With sand.
So this is with the sand, and each due to the vibration the stone particles will be in the top. Like this, if you are taking the sand sieve set, so this will be in the top. Next, so it will be getting refined. So each and every set will be getting the refined sand, and finally if you take the last sieve, it will be getting a very fine sand. Now after taking the sieve pan, we need to keep it in the weighing balance and we need to note down the reading. So like this we need to repeat it for all the pans. So at the end of the bottom pan, you will be getting a very nice fine. You can see the fineness of the sand. So this is what the aim of this experiment. So like while vibrating, the hard particles will stay in the top of the pan and the very fine particles will be get filtered in the last of the pan. So we will be measuring the weight of each and every pan over here with the sand. So previously, before starting this experiment, we have taken the weight of the pan without sand. Now we are taking the weight of the pan with sand. After completing the experiment, we will be writing the weight in grams in sieves, that is both in before sand, after sand. After that we need to write the retained percentage and multiplying factor. So for the final product we will be multiplying this weight into with the multiplying factor and we will get the product. So by taking the average of this we will get the grain fineness number. So this is about the sieve analysis experiment. Thank you.